Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Stream for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 2, uploading a video. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school, or business. We also need to have access to a video which we will be uploading to Microsoft Stream. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com and make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to Explore All the Applications, click on Microsoft Stream. Let's just wait for that to load. Now let's just minimize the web browser itself. We have a video on the desktop called Screen Recording. This is what we will be uploading to Microsoft Stream. Let's now go down onto the dock, go back to Google Chrome. Now, top right corner of the screen, click on Upload, go to the desktop where the video is saved in, click on Screen Recording, open, uploading your file. This has now uploaded the video to Microsoft Stream, and we can then share the video, move the video, copy, change the video title if we need to, or that is for another video. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.